All right, we need a sample architecture to deploy to make things more interesting as we work through some things this semester. And our sample architecture is going to be WordPress. WordPress is for hosting websites. It is a what is generally referred to as a LAMP application. LAMP stands for Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP. Those are the programs that are all used to make it work. So Apache Linux is the operating system, Apache is the web server, MySQL is the database, and PHP is a scripting language. So the users connect with the browser to the website, which is Apache. The Apache serves back web pages that are written in PHP, and those PHP pages access the data in the database. So that gives us some different pieces we can work with as we learn about virtualization in the cloud. WordPress.com is a commercial offering where you can go and pay them to host your site. We're not going to do that. We are going to go to WordPress.org, which is the open source side of things, and we're basically going to run the open source version of the platform. I am going to provide you with a already existing file to deploy it, so you don't actually have to do any of this stuff. But if you were going to install this on your own, you would need to install Linux, you know, download the appropriate prerequisite software, download the WordPress code, and get it all working. So if you were to look at the install guide, it would walk you through what that actually takes to get it going. So like I said, we're not going to do that. I'm going to provide you a file that already has everything you need to deploy a working WordPress site. You're basically just going to need to connect to it with a browser and then do the final configuration step, and then it'll be good to go. So that's an overview of the program we'll be using throughout the semester, WordPress.